Okay guys, I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I had no intention of filming a video today, and I had no intention of filming this video ever, but it's just Wednesday and it was a normal day. I just spent like all time up until lunch like working, but then I just got this idea that I want to share this learning with you. So yeah, this is why this video is very on top of my head and no fancy setup or anything like that today. But basically, people would have think that I would be crazy if I'd say that I probably want to throw away 90% of my leads. And this stems from like a very common conception that many people have, which is like every lead is a good lead and why would you ever say no to a potential customer? And I would do that, and that's why I'm going to tell you right now. So basically the core problem is that the more leads you book, the more meetings you put in your calendar without a filter, it's going to make you having meetings with the wrong people. And I essentially mean that you're going to be forced talking, chatting, selling to people that are not even looking to buy your product in the first place. Maybe they want to have a product, but they don't have the budget, or like they want to buy it later but not commit like in this exact moment. And that's just going to put you in a lot of stress. And for instance, you could be a hell of a salesman, but you talk to people who don't want to buy your stuff right now. And so even if you're the best salesman ever, you cannot force someone to spend money buying your service. You need to talk to people who are actively looking for it right now, have the cash to spare and everything like that right now. And this could, for instance, be you talk to people in the wrong industry. It could be that you talk to people with the wrong budget or the wrong time frame. But like the possibilities are really endless. And like the sales time that you have is limited. We all have 24 hours in a day. We can all probably work a max like 18-20 hours a day, but you cannot work more than that. But there's also a lot of different consequences that can occur when you talk to the wrong people. First of all, let's say you work in a massive company where you have like a sales team of, let's say, 5 people getting leads every day. If these 5 people, they're super good, they're like the best, the greatest in the whole world. But even if they talk to people who, let's say, are just browsing just for the sake of it, like they're just looking for fun, they cannot convince someone like that to sell, no matter how good they are. And if they just talk to unqualified prospects every day, they're just going to get drained, they're going to have flooded calendars, no one's going to book, it's just going to cause stress, they're going to hate their job, everything like that. And just think about the lack of motivation, having to hear someone saying no every day just because they don't talk to people who are even considering saying yes in the first place. Also, the real customer who's actually wanting to buy is going to get deprioritized, and because they're not going to get the love and care that they deserve and that they need for them to trust you as a business or as a salesman, because you're just going to spend thousands of hours focusing on the people who are not wanting to buy instead of focusing on your actual customer. My philosophy is very clear, is that you need to focus on quality over quantity. And I've actually set up a system that essentially does this all for you. I'm going to jump into my computer in like 1 minute time now, and I'm going to show you exactly how I set it up and how you can set it up as well in like 10 minutes of time, 100% for free. So yeah, let's hop into my computer. I'm going to show you how you only fill your calendar with hot leads actually wanting to buy from you. Okay, so what we're going to want to do is go into botpress.com, sign up, make an account, and we're going to create just a basic AI chatbot to solve this very simple use case. So I have my Botpress account open and I have my prompt here that I'm going to use because I'm going to want to create an AI agent just to demonstrate this all for you. So go into Botpress, hit create a bot, let it load, and then we'll get rid of this menu. We're going to choose an agent. I'm going to select other. Here we have knowledge base. Here is where you essentially can just train the bot on all your data so that it can basically just answer questions and yeah, like standard practice, pricing, everything like that. I'm just going to skip this for now because yeah, there's no use of this video. Go to next. Then I'm just going to hit create agent. It's going to load for a while. Okay, so now it's finished loaded. You can see that we have a preview here of support assistant. What we're going to want to do is we want to customize it. So we're going to go and hit to advanced. And this is going to bring us to a studio where we can essentially change the prompt of our agent and give it custom behavior. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here, hit flows. We're going to be brought up in this beautiful canvas. We can delete this video and we can delete this search knowledge base because I'm not going to use this. You need to have it though if you update or upload your own files. In the instructions, I have my PDF here. I'm just going to basically copy it all. I'm going to just paste it into the instructions. So yeah, now we're going to add card. We're going to scroll down. We're going to add a transition card. And this is basically what we're going to trigger if the user are eligible to book a call with us. So condition, we're going to write user can book a call. Instructions, trigger this transition if the user all the criteria. And then what we can do then is that we can just drag this button so that you see the line. We can drop it, and then we can select a standard node, and this is where we're going to connect the agent with the booking system of choice. We're going to want to use Calendly. So if we go to calendly.com, I'm going to just quickly log in. I'm going to log in with my Google account. And here I can see that I have my meeting already set up. I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to go back into my workflow. I'm going to hit add card, and just for it to be nicely formatted, I'm going to add the card. Here in title, we can just say book a meeting here. Subtitle, we can leave this empty because we don't want it. Image, I'm just going to have stock photo. I'm actually just going to take this guy because it's very nice. I can drag the image. I can drag the image to the images. And then if I scroll down, I'm going to hit an action button. And this is where we're going to paste our calendar link, and we're going to name this. Look here. Booking meeting. And now it's all finished. And now we would like to actually put this on a site. So first we're going to hit publish. And the good thing with Botpress is that you can publish it both to, let's say, your Instagram DMs, your WhatsApp messages, your phone number if you have like Twilio. But you can also put this on a website, and I'm going to show you how to do that real quickly as soon as this bastard is finished loading. Now it's finished. We can hit shareable link if we want to try it. But I'm going to go back to the first tab here, where we're going to go into the left side. We're going to go to web chat. Then we can name this, customize it. I'm going to say did qualification. Floating button image, we can like change this. I'm going to use the same image. I'm going to confirm it. We can change a lot of stuff like about. Let's hit the same image again. Confirm. Type in a message. With me. We can do multiple different things. We're going to hit save configuration just that it saves. And then once we're finished, we can hit share. and we can actually just hit this embed code so that we paste it. Then if we go to our site, I'm just going to show you all for you in JS Fiddle. We just paste this as a HTML, then we hit run. It's going to be open in the preview, and here you can actually see that we have a widget. So let's say your website's here, you click the widget, it's going to open. Share with me. I can just say hey. Now it says hi there, thanks for reaching out. I'd love to help you, but first I'll ask a few questions to see if you qualify to book a call with our sales team. Let's get started. What budget range are you prepared to invest in improving your business right now? Let's say I was to say 1,500. Then it just says, thank you so much for your response and your interest. At this time, our solutions are best suited for business prepared to invest at a higher level. Unfortunately, you do not qualify to book an appointment right now. Then, if we want to start a new conversation, and we send messages so that we fit within their, so that we fit all of the criteria, we can say 4,000 instead for the budget. How soon are you looking to get started? Today. Innovation. Oh, 1 million. Expand to other cities. So now it says, fantastic, based on your answer, you agree it fits to move forward. I connect you with our sales team to schedule an appointment. We can hit book here. It's going to take us directly to our schedule page, and we can just book an appointment and set a time. So this, you all, is exactly how I set up systems to filter my leads and only talk to people who are actually ready to convert and buy my product. I'm sorry that this video was not the highest quality, but I just wanted to get it out for you all, because I find this very helpful with a lot of information. So if you want to learn more, please check out my channel. But yeah, I'll keep you posted. Stay tuned for more.